Hey man, same man, back with another video, but yeah, this time it's not a shoe, it's not a shirt, but it's a belt. You know what I'm saying? Mcm Belt. If you don't know what these belts are, you ain't into like designer brands, because like this is like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, MCM. Like this is like the Louis Vuitton, like the Gucci of, I think, Germany. If I'm sure this is where this is made. If I know my brands right, it's from Germany. But yeah, but there's like marks and like rips and stuff of like the leather. I'm not gonna fix that though, cause like that's not my not my zone. But I'm gonna try to like make all this white again, cause like you can't see it, but like, well, maybe you can. It has like a blue tint to it, because like when you wear stuff with jeans, like it's bad right there. It's really bad right there. When you wear like this type of stuff with jeans, like it like marks it. Just like when you wear your jeans over your tongue of your Air Forces, it's gonna like your tongue tag is gonna turn blue because it's gonna like stain it. But yeah, man. Let's get to the video, man. In the video, you can see me take out the belt, then some acetone. I'm gonna use the acetone to take off the factory finish of the belt to apply the paint. Right here, I finished doing acetone, but I tried to paint it, but I cut the clip short. But in the video, I painted it, and then like it was gonna take way too long, so I decided to airbrush it down, like just make it all white. But if I'm gonna airbrush, that means I'm gonna have to like tape everything off, the logo and everything. And that process alone, acetoning down, took 15 minutes. So yeah. So back, I taped off the whole belt, all the signs. Like you can tell how much tape I use. Dude, no cap on that, bro. Took me like an hour to do every little triangle, every little word, all that, in like an hour and 30 minutes, because 30 minutes last night. So last night was Saturday, and then an hour today. I thought this was gonna be easy, bro, but it wasn't. But now I gotta get some white paint. That white paint. Get this airbrush going. You know what I'm saying? I mean, time to make this white because I don't know if you can tell, cause like the light I have on. Like, look at it right now. Like after the video, like I'm gonna pause right here, like, and then at the end of the video, go back, and then be like, you're gonna be like, damn, this, like, it's different, way different. It's gonna pop out more. And then I'm gonna do a few touches on the black, and then bada bing, bada boom. Then we done on that. But I mean, let's get right to it, man. So right here, like, I pretty much finished like airbrushing the shoe. It took about 3 or 4 to white coats all over the belt to get it to like cocaine white. And right here, I'm gonna take off all the tape so you can like see the logos and the diamonds. And yeah, let's get right to it, man. finished the belt, putting the scratch resistant sealer on it so the paint won't rub off. Like if you scratch anything, nothing will happen to it, but it's a little bit glossy, and pretty sure the belt's supposed to be matte, so I'm gonna spray some Krylon matte finish right quick to have that matte look like it's supposed to. And that'll be the end of the video, so let me do it right quick. That's the end of the video. I think it came out pretty nice, not gonna lie. It's not blue no more. But yeah. It's like literally like cocaine white. Pretty nice. But yeah. That's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'm tired. It's like 1:30 in the morning. It took me like 3 hours to do this. It should have been faster, but it took me a while. I don't know why. And I had to do some detailing after I was done spraying, after I was done airbrushing, because there was a bit of overspray, but got the job done. It's time to go to sleep though, no cap. But hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video though. Deuces.